A Cybertruck was spotted on the beach playing around in salt water. The driver was so brave that he took the heavy truck to the beach, without the fear of getting stuck. Hopefully the truck is not rented from Turo. Overall, not a good decision to take the truck to the salty water. The drivers should exercise extra caution at the beach. Loose sand and salty water may affect the performance of off-road modes. Damage caused by driving in salty water is not covered in the vehicle's warranty. The driver did a pretty good job of not getting stuck in the loose sand. We have seen previously many Cybertrucks stuck in the loose sand at the beach. The Cybertruck fits the bill as an ideal on-sand vehicle. In the right hands, the pickup will not have any problem traveling on the beaches. The driver needs to make sure that the truck does not get rust out in few weeks.